Welcome to our new home story. I'm happy to show you around into a new apartment we created with very earthy, cozy tones to bring in the nature. So come on in. The entrance area should be very inviting in every project. We created this space especially with the wooden panels. Everything is custom designed by Upscale because it will bring in really a cozy atmosphere to the space. Let me introduce you to the open space where we have a kitchen, a dining room and a living room. In this apartment there was an existing kitchen which was very whitish and minimalistic, and we wanted to make it more like a furniture. That's why we added a new island with special tiles. The color is called sage, and we used the same tiles at the bar and also in the backsplash to give it a cohesive look. The dining area has a very spacious surrounding. We colored the wall with a soft whitish tone. It's called Dimitri and matches very well with the selected travertine top. And to again connect to the kitchen, we used a base in the same sage tone as the tiles. In areas where you have a very high ceiling, a lot of time there's no connection for a pendant light above the dining table, which I think is very important to bring in warmth and coziness to the dining area. So we used a flow slide that has a plug that's great, so you can use it. You can lighten up the dining table without having an outlet in the ceiling. When we first time arrived in this apartment, we got inspired by the light in the ceiling. We imagined the space to have the sunset colors, the morning rise colors, and this is what you see in the living room. We designed this living room for a family. It's important to have a very cozy sofa and a place for everyone to sit. We used a shaped sofa so that the whole family can find a place. In the middle you have a round shaped center table, and I think it's great because there's really a circulation possible, and the sofa has different elements, so in case you want to change the layout later, that's possible. We created this built-in in the same color as the floor to really make it kind of invisible. We wanted to especially show the view, and to experience the view you should be able to sit in your niche. I would like to show you now the outside space. We used earthy and green tones inspired by the forest. We used also a pattern on the sofa that looks like the forest. Don't be afraid of using different kind of patterns. Trust the color scheme. If you are cohesive in the color scheme, green tones, wood, different kind of woods, it works perfectly. Let me show you the home office. Our client requested a space that is very moody. The focus is to work in a quiet surrounding with acoustic fabric to make it very, very warm and rich. Now we are in a bedroom where we used a color drenching technique. To explain what color drenching means is that you use the same color for all the surfaces, meaning the same color in the wardrobe, the wall paneling and the wall color. Within the color shade we sticked and added a terracotta tone. This is the second bedroom. We did here again a custom designed solution for the client. She loves yellow, so we thought it's nice to bring in some morning sun to this room. We used a wallpaper that is shaped, matching with the headboard, and the art piece brings in again the golden tone. As an interior designer, it's super important to listen to the client, to their wishes, to their needs, to bring in the atmosphere to the space that they're looking for, to make the apartment or the house a home.